Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Pack Hourglass and Pokemon TCG Pocket. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you can get the Pack Hourglass in Pokemon TCG primarily through missions, okay? Leveling up and purchasing them. It could be daily, beginner, advanced, and special missions, as well as completing tutorials. Earning experience from battles and opening up packs also allows you to level up and receive rewards. Additionally, Pack Hourglass or Hourglasses can be purchased from the in-game shop using shop tickets. Again, complete 3 daily missions to claim 4 Pack Hourglasses each day. And for beginner missions, new players receive 120 Pack Hourglasses for completing beginner missions, okay? Like reaching level 3 and doing solo battles. Also, complete 9 advanced missions to earn another 120 Pack Hourglasses. Participate in special missions, such as those in drop events, to earn additional Hourglasses, okay? Just basically finish the battle guide, alright, and solo card battle tutorials for a small amount of Hourglasses. Now, gain experience from battling and opening packs, and level up to earn Pack Hourglasses as rewards. Okay, you could also save up to shop tickets from daily gifts and other missions to purchase our Pack Hourglasses from the monthly refresh shop. Okay? Also, when you go ahead and go to the description below, you can go ahead and go to this specific link, okay, and you'll be able to get 24 Pack Hourglasses by joining the celebration of Pokemon TCG Pocket in stores, okay? Right here, just basically read the instructions and go to this following retail locations, okay? You have GameStop, Best Buy, Five Below for United States. In Canada, you have EB Games. Australia, you have EB Games, Mr. Toys and Toymate, and New Zealand, EB Games, okay? Again, just click on this link in the description. Don't worry, I'm going to leave it. But that's just basically it, okay? That is how you get Pack Hourglass or Hourglasses in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.